Hello everyone. I just want to share with you the way I use the website Quizziz for making quizzes or lesson plan. This is my profile here. As you can see, how many quizzes I already made using this one, and the collections are my library, I guess. So I have my own library for chemistry. I mean, there are 14 more, but I currently am using those. And then let me click on create, which is the most, I will say, important part of this uh, small video. So let's create. They will ask you what you want to create, lesson plan or a quiz. I will say quiz, and then I will say, okay, I want to use AI for creating the quiz. They have different options as you will see. You can also create from a document, from an existing document, even from Wikipedia, from YouTube. You can also upload, you can connect your quizzes to your drive, or you can also use a PDF. But this time I'm going to just type the topic that I want to create. Okay, the topic will be covalent bonding. And I'm not going to say anything about the number of questions, just saying covalent bonding. Can you make a quiz on that? And they will start uh, offering what topic you want to cover on the quiz. I want to say, okay, polar versus non-polar. I want resonance structure, bone polarity. They let you select up to five. We only had three so far. How about Lewis structure? Vesper theory. This five topic. And I will say, okay, generate a quiz. It will take a few minutes to create that quiz. And later you can decide you want to keep those questions or you want to add more. And I already had 10 questions. By default, they create 10 questions. But then you can do the following. Okay, you can search. You just click this one and say search for more, and they will try to offer you more questions so you can select any of them. Like, okay, I have one from 9 to 10 grade here. Now, okay, add this question, and it's already added, so you don't need to type. And that was a matching question, right? But the other thing that I want to mention is the following. You can check the grammar if there is any error on your questions, or add three similar, or translate to different language. If you want to use another language, you can translate to those language that you see on the screen, and also convert to a real world scenario. Let me try that and see what happened, or add answer to, or explanation to that. Let me try convert to real scenario and see what happened to the questions. And maybe they will offer situation where the student, okay, Charlotte is studying chemistry and she came across a molecule. Okay, they give you two choices, so you can select the one that you want. Like Emma and Benjamin are working on in a chemistry project. They're asked to draw the Lewis structure. Kay, who is knowing the group, asks them about the purpose of Lewis structure. What should they tell Kay about? Okay, you can select those type of question, or just you don't need to select all of them, any of them. Okay, so I'm not going to add any of these questions, and that's all. And then you just write the name and publish. You have 15.11 grade question, publish and share with your student, and then they will have, if you want to see the report, I have some real report from my previous class, so you can click here and you get the answer given by the student. The other thing that I use Quizziz for is for creating lesson plan. Let me show you how. I will go lesson and I say, okay, from using AI, you can create from scratch, but I want to give, when you create using AI, it will give you some idea. Okay, I'm going to ask for galvanizer. I want, oh, it's not typing. Okay, galvanizer. That's the topic in English. And then I don't want to use any document. You can use a document for creating your lesson or any website that you want to use. I tried that before, but I like to type the topic that I want. And then he will start creating a slide presentation, but they offer, okay, I want the introductions, the component, understanding redox, and the role of the electrode, the salt bridge. I guess I have five. Okay, so I would say yes, use those topics for my lesson, and they will create 16 slides on the topic, and I will show you how they will be presenting to you in a moment. So, for instance, this is the topic. You can modify. I mean, you click here, and then you can, okay, power, or you can say, okay, I want to simplify that galvanic cell, and then the introduction, then they will insert questions. So you have like a sort of draft for starting your lesson plan, and they also add some question in between. But you can modify any question. For instance, you want to say, okay, I want to another slide, but instead of text, I want a picture of a galvanic cell. So you can click on image, and then you can say search for a galvanic cell. And they will search for one, and you select the one that you want, like or maybe I want the simplest one, maybe, and save it, and they will include that in your slide. You can put in any new slide. Okay, I just want to insert that, or let me make a new one, a new slide. I normally open with the blank one, and I say now what I want is adding a video on galvanic cells. I'm going to type again, and they will find in YouTube explanation. There is a professor who explained about that. You can select this one, and you can play the video before. So you can click here. You can watch the video before inserting, so you make sure it's explaining what you want to do in your class. And also you can edit. I never tried that, but you can cut the video, like just presenting part of the video, not the whole thing. And because sometimes videos can be a little bit longer, so you say, okay, I want just the introduction, just for motivation. So instead of having 2 minutes, I want to have 42 seconds. And then you insert, and that's it. And you can also replay. It should be an option when you can play again, and you can replace the video. Okay, so under media you can have adding audio, adding video, adding a image if you want to. And then when you're ready, you just publish your slide presentation. I'm going to do that. They ask you the topic, that will be chemistry, and that will be university level English. And then you can also add a picture just for, I would say, decoration, to identify your lesson plan. It doesn't it will not make any difference. It's just for identify the lesson plan, and save it. And if you go back, okay, here is my lesson plan, and as you see, I use the same picture, and then you can start the live lesson, or you can do a preview and then play your slide presentation. See, that's the way it should be. I didn't do any modification with the question or the test, but that's up to you. So you don't have to really keep the suggestion they gave you. You can go over. I on purpose click on the wrong one question, and then where is the function? Okay, maintain the. Oop, yeah, this time was wrong. I didn't mean to click the wrong one. Anyway, this is the way. What is the process of oxidation in redox reaction? That will be loss of electron, right? Is there any close? Yeah, oxidation. That's a wrong question because that will be. So you need to review your questions before you publish your or make available to the student because sometimes AI is not perfect, but at least it's like a draft. You can start using your uh, Quizziz AI option for having a kind of a starting point for the preparing a lesson plan. Let me start share. Okay, let me cancel this. I think it will be somewhere here. Yeah. And you have your lesson plan and you have your quizzes and everything you need. And again, you can type or copy and paste any definition from an online textbook, and that will also help. I had so many slide presentation taken directly from the textbook. Let's see, this one is one. No, I don't want to. Let me go to my dashboard. But I have some that are taken from OpenStat, from any online textbook, and in my library. So it doesn't need to be exactly using the suggestion given by. Let me share this one. This is a quiz or a lesson. Yeah, this is a lesson, and yeah, this is about intermolecular forces. So I'm using most of the information that I have from the textbook. As you probably noticed, this one is from OpenStack textbook, and those are the things that I just want to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully that will help you to um, learn and familiarize more with this useful tool for teaching. Bye.